2013. Alright guys, this is my 2013 bike check. So starting in the front, kink lightest bar ends. I have duo Bohan grips, Odyssey trigger lever, kink wolf bars, Odyssey upper cables. Stem is a profile push. I have the Odyssey GTX gyro, Shadow Voltus forks. Front wheel is a G-Sport birdcage laced with Shadow Raptor hub, kink Lyra tires. I have a Failure Mainiac frame in metallic purple, 20.8 top tube. Snafu Aristoglide lower cables, dual. Odyssey Evo 2 brakes, Shadow seat post, Demolition Doyle seat. Profile spline drive cranks. I have the Tree Light spline drive sprocket. Odyssey JCPC pedals, just a KMC chain. And my back wheel, I have a Profile Elite laced with G-Sport roll cage and another kink glider tire. And for those of you that want to hear the Profile Elite or that already know what it sounds like and like it, here you go. And that's my bike check.